Hazrat Rafi bin Khadij radiyallahu anhu states, we would rent out land in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times. We would rent out land in exchange for 1/3 and 1/4 of the yield and a fixed quantity of grain. One day one of my uncles came and said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has proscribed us from a thing which was profitable for us, but there lies more profit in obedience to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam forbade us from leasing out land. We used to rent out land in exchange for 1/3 and 1/4 of the produce and a fixed share of grain. But He sallallahu alaihi wasallam has commanded the landlord to cultivate it himself or get somebody to cultivate it, and expressed His displeasure for any course of action besides it. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3922.